How to set up and use account recovery on iOS 15. How to set up account recovery on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name. Then go to Password and Security. Tap on Account Recovery and select Add Recovery Contact. Tap on Add Recovery Contact again. Give authentication with your Face ID, Touch ID, or iPhone passcode. From your contact list, select the contact that will be your recovery contact. Your recovery contact must be over the age of 13. Have an Apple device running iOS 15, iPad OS 15, or Mac OS Monterey and later operating systems. Their device has to have a passcode, and two-factor authentication needs to be turned on for their Apple ID. Tap on Add. Then you'll see a message that will be sent to the contact. If everything is okay, tap on Send. If you're not satisfied with it, tap on Edit Message and write your own. Now tap on Done and wait while the contact accepts your request. How to use account recovery on iPhone? Contact your recovery contact. Ask the contact to open the Settings app and tap on their Apple ID name. Then, they should go to Password and Security and select Account Recovery. They should then tap on your name and select Get Recovery Code. Type the recovery code into your iPhone and reset your Apple ID password. How to remove recovery contact? Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name. Then, go to Password and Security. Tap on Account Recovery. Under Recovery Assistance, tap on the current recovery contact. Then, tap on Remove Contact. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.